Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the power cord on this KitchenAid garbage disposer, you will need a 3/8" nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the old power cord. Detach the dishwasher's drain hose from the disposer inlet port, if applicable. Using the 3/8" nut driver or the flathead screwdriver, unthread the two mounting screws, securing the tailpipe flange to the disposer. Now rotate the lock ring counterclockwise to release the disposer from the sink and set it on a towel. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the screw securing the access plate and remove the plate. Pull the wires out and untwist the wire nuts to disconnect the wires. Unthread the screw to release the grounding wire. Partially unthread the screws to loosen the power cord strain relief, and you can pull the old power cord free. To install the new power cord, feed the wires and cord through the strain relief. Secure the grounding wire with the screw. Join the wire on the side of the cord with ridges to the disposer's white wire and twist the wire nut on to secure the wires. Join the wire on the smooth side of the cord to the black wire and secure with the wire nut. With the wires secured, push the wires into the cavity. Tighten the strain relief screws to hold the cord in place. Realign the access cover and tighten the screw. Reinstall the disposer by positioning it in the mounting bracket, making sure the disposer's outlet port is aligned with the tailpipe. Confirm the tailpipe gasket is in place on the outlet port. Then position the tailpipe flange with the port and thread the two screws to secure. Now fully rotate the disposer lock ring clockwise until it locks into place. If applicable, reattach the dishwasher's drain hose to the inlet port. Plug the new power cord in, and the garbage disposer should be ready for use.